Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. We are going to be removing and reinstalling a rear wiper blade on a 2021 Soul. Let's get started. Alright, so right now I'm in the back of the car. Here's the wiper arm, here's the wiper blade. Now in order to remove this wiper blade, all you have to do is lift up the arm like this. Okay, take the wiper like that. Take your finger, go directly behind between the wiper arm and the wiper blade, right here. Take your two fingers, like you see here, and you basically push out like that, and then you pull out like that. All right, now in order to reinstall the wiper blade back onto the wiper arm, there is a U shape right here, and right in here is a plastic bar that's attached to this wall, but inside. Bar right here fits right in where the U shape is. So what you do, you take it like this, just like that, okay, and then you basically just hold it like this, pop it in like that, and put it down. All right everybody, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope the video was helpful. If it was, like, comment, share, subscribe. See you all in the next video. Peace.